Are you looking for a quick and easy way to enable Talkback on your Samsung device? In this video, you'll learn how to enable Talkback on your Samsung smartphone in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung device and then scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Once you've found it, tap on it. And now you'll see the Talkback option. Just tap on it. All you have to do next is simply toggle this switch. Then tap Allow to turn it on. Now Talkback is successfully enabled on my Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.